I don't like using knives.
They're scary.
It's just that we have to cut things and it takes like an hour.
We cook a lot together, and her having her own kit will really do a lot for her confidence in her being able to just kind of do a lot more things independently.
Me and my mom are gonna make mashed potatoes, vegetables, and a salad. When you're going down, it's easier than going across. Because if I go across this way, it's just weird. It's not better than my mom's peeler. It's not strong. I think that this one's more fit for me because it's safer.
There's the knife. Okay, pick it up. How does it feel? Is it sharp?
Doesn't really look like it could hurt that much. Maybe a little bit.
Oh, it actually feels comfortable, like not awkward. I thought it would feel awkward. How does it feel to you?
Feels kind of kiddish.
Like not like a real knife?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a real knife. Yeah, this one's a little harder. You carrots are hard to cut.
I feel safe for her. I don't feel concerned. I feel like she has like comfort cutting as long as I'm able to watch you in the kitchen, and I feel comfortable with you using it.
I just cut some carrots, and right now we're boiling the carrots to make them tender. So what you do is you take it and you and bam, this is your salad and you're ready for lunch. When we got to the cucumber part, it's easier than the carrot and the potato part. I feel more confident in the kitchen because I have utensils for me, not for my mom, just for me. It tastes better knowing that I made it by myself.